Be a bitch. Be mean. Nice for what? Make people earn your niceness. Being nice get you taken advantage of. It gets you misused and fucking abused. Make people earn your niceness. Make people earn your trust. Make people earn your attention. If they are not adding value and pouring into you in the ways that you need to be poured into, meeting your standards, then what the fuck are we being nice for? That don't mean be out here being rude and being disrespectful. No. But stop over giving, over caring, over sharing. Okay? If these motherfuckers don't deserve it,